So today guys ay magta-transfer tayo ng pera from Union Digital Bank to GCash Wallet. So ito yung account natin dati na na-create from UD. So nilagyan ko siya ng 100 pesos. So yung 100 pesos na to ay ita-transfer natin sa ating GCash Wallet. So titingnan natin dito kung smooth ba yung transaction and wala bang aberya. So send money and then to other bank and e-wallets, and then sa taas pwede tayong mag-search. So search natin GCash, then click natin and then piliin natin yung InstaPay. Kung makikita natin dito ay transfer fee niya ay free. So lalagyan lang natin ng amount, account number, account name, and then yung purpose of transfer. So once pag complete na yung details, so click natin yung proceed. And then click natin yung confirm. So nanghihingi siya ng OTP. So wait natin yung OTP. So ayan, 810777. And transaction guys is being processed na. So close lang natin to. And kung makikita nyo, wala na yung account dyan na 100. And then kung makikita nyo, meron na tayong na-receive na 100 pesos from Union Digital account. So ayan guys, na-receive naman natin agad yung pera. So and then nakapag bigay naman sila agad ng OTP. So smooth naman yung transaction pag transfer ng pera from Union Digital Bank to GCash Wallet. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching.